What is the first thing that comes up to your mind when you hear Japanese vending machines? Vending machines are all around Japan. In addition, its advanced technology allows customers to buy both hot and cold drinks from one machine. But that's not it. Some vending machines in Japan even sell hot dishes. Let's have a look. Drive-In Nanakoshi was opened in 1975. The shop is known for its unique vending machine. The shop is open 24/7. Cheeseburger, 250 yen, around $2. A cheeseburger can be bought for 250 yen. After inserting coins and pushing the button, it comes out in a box. Toasted sandwich, 250 yen, around $2. A toasted sandwich can be bought for 250 yen, around $2. It comes out covered in aluminum foil. The sandwich contains ingredients such as salami, cheese, and ketchup. Char siu, roasted pork. Ramen, 350 yen, around $3. Char siu, or Chinese roasted pork ramen, can be bought for 350 yen, around $3. It comes out in a bowl. Owner Mr. Kiyoshi Kimura. The owner, Kimura Kiyoshi, sets the noodles in a bowl by hand. Pork is boiled for around 2 hours, refrigerated overnight, and grilled and cut into thin pieces to make this homemade char siu. Layers of new sauce is added to the old one to make the char siu sauce. Unfortunately, the vending machines are no longer manufactured. The machine here is used with regular maintenance. The owner said they can work hard because the machines do so. Many families and young people come to visit this vending machine. There are other places in Japan that have many vending machines. The variety of products sold is diverse, ranging from miso soup to curry. Please visit Japan to see these unique vending machines.